Hello, talking about myself. My name is Diana Durleis Ojeda Salinas. Um, I am married. I am from Barranquilla, Colombia. I am 39 years old. I am a secretary. I am studying psychology at UNAD. I like in Soacha, Cundinamarca. In my free time, I like to the exercise, watch movies, and series. I also like city. Talking about my city. Uh, what are the main tourist place in the city? The main tourist place in Soacha are el Salto del Tequendama, el Parque Natural Chicaque, eh, Parque Metropolitano Canoas, and Mirador La Leona. What is the typical food in your city? The typical food in my city is garulla. What are the main celebration is your city? Mm, the main celebrations in my city are el Festival Jica, Unión del Sol y la Luna, el Festival de Música Folclórica y Popular, Soacha Vive la Música, and Festival Internacional Respira Palabra y Narración Oral. What activities can you do in your city? In my city, I can ride a bike on the bike path, go out with my family to the park, go out park, desert and snack in the astronaut. Thank you.